Hello friends, family, subscribers and visitors. This is Lloyd from Lloyd Dollhouse. We haven't been posting for a while, but we are back, and today I am going to be unboxing several items that I have received as a gift. People are very generous, but I want to share it with you. Let's start with this box. These items I actually received from my daughter and son-in-law for Christmas, but I haven't had a chance to open them. Actually, I've had many chances, but I wanted to unbox them in camera and share the experience with you. This is a hallway table or an entry table. This is going to make a wonderful addition to our furniture. It has the curved legs and it has a little bit of distressing to make it look like it's been lived in. It's not brand new. This box contains, let's see, ooh, this is a writer's desk. Well, you can see this is very good quality furniture. All of the drawers actually open, so you can store little pencils, notebooks, stationery, and so forth. And when you open this part, the little drawers also open, which I'm very pleased because it's not just beautiful, but it is also functional. I have some here, some timeless minis. I'm not sure if these are discontinued or not, but I see them. I see that people sell lots of items. Again, the McP family got this for me. This is a scrubbing board. So this is going to be perfect when I start working on in the laundry room. This is a set of pots. I actually already have this one, but I have it in red. So let's see how many items it has. This is the skillet, the frying pan. This is a saucepan. This is the Dutch oven and the casserole. I'm not actually sure if I have the name of the different pans and pots correct. And each one of them has its corresponding lid. And I believe this one goes here. These are heavy. These appear to be made of metal. They call them speckle or granite. And they were very much in style back in the 50s, though this house is supposed to take place in the 1920s, but some inaccuracies are fine. Let's see what this box contains. Set of chairs. The chairs have carving up here, and they have the curved legs, velvet, and they are cushiony, both on the seat as well as the back for comfort. This is an old-fashioned telephone. So you would have your earpiece right here, and this is your speaker, and I believe this would rest right on this handle, though the cord is a little bit short, but that's easy to repair. It's very lovely, very exciting for me to open new packages. This is a coffee table with a scalloped edge right here. as well as curved legs. It actually goes very well with this. They are not from the same manufacturer because this is light and this is much heavier. But just as you do with your regular home, you don't buy all the furniture at the same time, not necessarily. And when you go look for more pieces of furniture, sometimes you don't stick to the same brand. This is a lamp, a table lamp. Not sure, but this appears to be a hurricane lamp. Not sure of the name. Ooh, this one is heavy. This one looks very substantial. It has a hole right here on the top, which is making me think that I could very well drop a little fairy light in there, although the shade part of it is not transparent, so that might not work, but it would still emanate light from the top. And my sister went for a weekend to Solvang, California, and they have a very large Dollhouse store there. And she thought that I would like this little Coke bottle. And she was right, because I think it's so adorable. I may have to go back and get more. Okay, let's see this one. Oh, this is a grandfather's clock. Wow, this is very nice. Definitely top of the line. Although I'm not exactly sure why they call it grandfather. Didn't the grandmother also need to know the time? It has the pendulum in here. Very pretty. More of these timeless minis. Oh, this is the iron. This is, I believe that you would put, I believe that you would open this section right here, and you would actually add or put coal in there, and that's how it got hot. It's nice and heavy. You need it to be heavy so that you don't actually have to be pushing down when you're ironing your clothes. This is again very nice for when I work on the laundry room. Okay, my friend went to a craft store, and they have a section with jewelry, and she found this set and she thought that I might like it, and she's right. Very cute. The coffee pot, the cups, the saucers, though you would have to fill the hole right there. You can easily do that with clay or with glue and then paint over it. But I'm very thankful that people remember that I do collect miniatures. And also this other one. This is metal, a little heavier, and the detail is just very well done. This is a serving set, because this one does not have the cups and saucers, but it has all the pots, creamer, sugar, and so forth. Okay, let's see, this one is super heavy. It's the heaviest of all. Wow, this is a fireplace. Wow, and it comes with, let's see how this works. It has a little hole right here, and you would insert your tiny little light, and when you have your light in there and you turn this on, wow, this is amazing. I am so happy and very thankful to the McPhee family for all these beautiful gifts. This will look wonderful inside my house. and it has different settings. Wow, can't wait to put them inside the house. And I believe this is the last one. Yes. I piled all the boxes and okay, move aside. This one is very well packaged, so it has to be something delicate. Oh my goodness. This is something that I've been looking at, never bought for myself. This is an old-fashioned porcelain toilet. This particular type worked with gravity, so this is the water container, and it has, oh, they're articulated and they open separately. The seat and the seat cover looks like wood, but I'm pretty sure it's plastic. And then this is, you would pull the lever from this chain, but obviously this is for a house of people that are wealthy. Not everybody had something this beautiful. I think our house deserves that. I'm at risk of becoming a hoarder with all these miniatures. The good thing about hoarding miniatures is that they are little. Therefore, I give myself permission to keep collecting. Thank you very much, friends, for stopping by. Thank you for watching. And stay tuned for more videos to come from Dollhouse.